Hi, welcome to Amrit's Kitchen. Today we are going to make premix of soup. This premix powder stays good for 6 months and it is very good to carry on when you are going for traveling to make instant soup. So we will also see how to make soup out of this premix. First we'll take a pan and roast 200 grams of oats. While roasting any ingredient, you have to just roast it for 2-3 minutes till crisp or light brown in color. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons onion powder, 2 tablespoons garlic powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder. Now here I am adding Italian herbs, but you can also add 1 tablespoon garam masala to make a Indian flavor. 1 tablespoon Italian herbs. So you can make this premix in 2 different flavors. 1 teaspoon curry leaves powder. This curry leaf powder is homemade. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon Himalayan pink salt. Now we'll mix everything thoroughly and roast for another 1 minute. Cool it for some time and then we will grind it in the mixer into a fine powder. Now we'll store this powder or premix of soup in airtight containers and we'll make a soup out of it. For that we'll take 2 tablespoons of the powder in a bowl and add 2 glasses of water. Mix properly so that no lumps are seen. Now we will add 2 tablespoons chopped carrot, 2 tablespoons chopped cabbage and 2 tablespoons chopped mushrooms. One thing you have to remember here that whichever vegetables or fruits you are adding, see that you chop them into fine pieces. And now we are going to boil the mixture for approximately 5 to 6 minutes. Keep stirring in between, and once the soup and the vegetables are cooked, you can check for seasoning and add more salt if you need. You can also add 2 tablespoons tomato puree. This tomato puree is also homemade. Healthy and tasty soup is ready. You can check the consistency, how thick or thin soup you want, and add water accordingly. You can also add boiled or fried noodles. Check the description of this video for more details. If you liked the recipe, share it with your friends and family. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. While serving, you can just add a tablespoon of cashew cream.